Dilolostro YouTube channel. La Hilesh Godin.
Okay, ngene xigodini
namuntlha mi fike kona xigodini xa mampela.
Hi ta va hi swi vonile tolo nsati wa kokwani Chauke boss lady u fika posta ka xiyenge xa mabulu xa Facebook a kombisa leswaku u le ku pandzeni ka vanhu lava nga na ti-degree na ti-diploma hikuva a hanya kahle ku ri ku yena o va na grade 4 a tlhela a kombisa leswaku degree loko munhu a yi veke hansi ka tarasi a nga yimayima yi nge n'wi pfuni nchumu kasi masikunyana ndzhaku hi vone ku fika ku va na huwa exikarhi ka nsati wa kokwani Chauke boss lady na minijere Philani laha ku nga endliwa na minkandziyiso yo hambanahambana ka swiyenge swa mabulu ti karhi ti chovolana se hi fiki hi vona Gagash a endla nkandziyiso thwi ka xiyenge xa mabulu xa Facebook eka nkandziyiso lowu a nga wu endla u tlhela a khumba timhaka ta leswaku a swi kahle leswaku vanhu va pfuka nsati wa Chauke nga boss lady loko se nsati wa Chauke a tlheriseta kumbexana na yena a endla nkandziyiso a karhi a hlasela se u tlhela a suluwa ku ri ku u lo pfukiwa hi ta tsundzuka leswaku a yi suki kusuka exikarhi ka minijere Philani na nsati wa kokwani Chauke boss lady nkandziyiso wa Gagash masipala loko a yima na nsati wa Chauke hi lowu
I have no problem with whatever that woman post. Ni vula nkata Chauke, I mean Dolly, nyeleti Dolens something, Dolens nyeleti. Sweswiya. A ni ngheneleli ka nchumu ka sweswo. Bari n'wama pika munhu ma swi kota ku pika munhu. N'wi pika ku u lo yimeriwa ku a vula swin'wana ivi a kota ku a thekiwa. Yes, munhu a nga va nga swi vekangi kahle. But don't be too much personal. Comment, but nga vi na more personal. I understand that South Africa na problem problem unemployment. The unemployment rate is too high. With people who have got degrees, masters. I've got a brother. Those who doesn't know, let me tell you. I've got a brother who's currently enrolling for LLB. My brother. He did Bachelor of Arts in International Relations. A degree at Univen. Those who know him, they know him. He did Bachelor of Arts in International Relations. Graduate. He even did honors for it, I think. Yeah, honors. Now he's doing LLB. That man in more than 10 years without working at the moment. More than 10 years now. Do you think in the supporter from my pocket? There is no such. It's a brother, there is nothing that I can do. But look, you retaliate even personal. Doesn't work like that. An eye for an eye. Look, I retaliate. Don't be too much jealous of me. I told you, I've got a brother. One man, honor degree, na honors. I got in international relations. Now he's enrolling for LLB as I'm speaking. Maybe he's doing it for the second year now. In more than 10 years. Atira arts and culture, something over internship, yeah. And then now, it's not longer working. There is no way Africa praise a moon, logo kuruku. Everyone, what am I going 1, 2, 3. Maran, Blago, Menga Atekibano, in the Nimiaku, Loguseva Talita, Melagut of Commission issue. Doesn't look like that. A moon is on the moon. The moon was on the shower. I love Jella men not afford and afford the clan of Pimungo. Snen, barefoot in the West, could afford. It's one pride to move. Into one and wolf.
Okay, ngene xigodini
namuntlha mi fike kona xigodini xa mampela.